All right. Harley fork seal driver. I believe it's 39 millimeter. Very simple. These two parts from Lowe's. The part number there. And this thing is a 2-inch PVC. This is some kind of adapter. I don't know much about plumbing, but this fits exactly on there. And I got a long enough pipe so that the pipe's really cheap, so you can push it down. And instead of sliding up and down, you can do a slide up and down method, or this pipe is so long, you can just tap the end of it with a hammer, like this. And a couple taps. And that's it. Very simple. No need to buy special tools. I think this cost about $10.